Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to text like a bad boy. First, focus on exuding confidence in every message you send. This means being direct and clear, avoiding excessive emojis or overly eager responses. A key element is playful teasing. It builds rapport and shows your personality. Remember, the goal is to be intriguing, not arrogant. Keep your messages relatively short, around 1 or 2 sentences, to maintain a sense of mystery and leave them wanting more. This approach sets a strong foundation for engaging conversations. Next, let's talk about building intrigue and keeping things playful. Injecting humor and light-hearted banter is crucial. It shows you don't take yourself too seriously. Avoid the common mistake of over-texting. Sending 3 or 4 messages for everyone you receive can seem desperate. Instead, maintain a balanced exchange, perhaps waiting 20 to 30 minutes before replying sometimes. Use open-ended questions that invite more than a yes or no answer. This encourages deeper conversation and keeps the interaction dynamic and exciting, making them eager for your next message. Now, let's discuss maintaining your independence and offering a subtle challenge. It's important not to always agree with everything they say. A differing opinion can be incredibly attractive. Show that you have your own life and priorities by not always being immediately available. For instance, if they text you at 8 o'clock at night, you might wait until 9 o'clock to respond. Avoid seeking constant validation. Your confidence should come from within. A little unpredictability, like a witty, unexpected reply, keeps them on their toes and invested in your interactions. Finally, master the art of the call to action and the confident exit. When you're ready to move things forward, suggest a specific activity, like grabbing coffee on Tuesday or trying that new restaurant. Don't just text endlessly. Aim to transition to an in-person meeting within a few days. Always end conversations on a high note, perhaps with a playful remark, leaving them with a positive feeling. This ensures they look forward to your next interaction. Remember, the goal is to be memorable and to confidently guide the interaction towards real-world connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.